Or maybe I wanted to add this extract tab to the survey. Maybe that would be more useful for me. So you can right click anywhere in your ribbon and choose customize ribbon. And you can add, you can mix and match, any tabs from any other workflow into the one you're working with all the time. So you don't have to keep going back and forth. All right, so here I'm gonna go to my ribbon. And then what you start with is you choose the workflow you want to edit. So the dialogue's a little backwards, I feel, but you're gonna start on the right side and we're gonna go and choose survey. And with that selected, then you can come over here and you can choose a tab. So I'm gonna go and choose a tab and I'm gonna choose that extract tab. And then I'm gonna pull it over here to my survey. And I'll just put it right in between, I'll just put it right after home, it'll be fine. And then we'll hit apply, and then we'll see that extract gets placed in that survey workflow. About a minute. And then once that finishes, you can close. Now if I go to survey, I should see, now I've got extract there. So now I wouldn't have to go back and forth between those workflows. So whatever you want to bring in, you can create your own workflow, so to speak, of all the tools that you normally use. All right, so I'm going to select all of these. And what I wanted to do is I'm on the survey workflow just so I can get to my terrain tab. And we've already created our terrain. And now what we're going to do is come over here to the edit section and we're going to add features. So the first thing we'll do is we'll select our terrain model. We're going to be adding this to our point cloud, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, you're going to add it to the point cloud terrain model. So that's going to be that outer boundary. And then with those elements selected, we're going to go ahead and data point to accept those. And we want to add them all in as break lines. So if you look at the feature type, you've got all your different feature types. If you go to the help, they have a really nice list of what all those feature types are used for. Break line here, and left click, and that's going to process. So now all those elements are part of the terrain, and if we turn our triangles back on, we'll see that it should be triangulating to those lines now. Last thing we're going to do here, we're going to look at creating a complex terrain model. So you often do this whenever,